Hi, welcome to Sculpture Talks. I'm Richard Baronio. I want to talk now about an intuitive approach to sculpture. I think in the beginning, once you have your materials and you have an idea of generally maybe what the piece will look like, in the most general terms, and you're prepared, you have the materials and the equipment to build it, then you have to move to a more intuitive approach. It's necessary to allow the piece to happen, not have it totally designed out from the beginning to the end. And that way it evolves into something that feels like a living object, not simply a manufactured object. So symmetry is an important element in this. The idea of symmetry, where one side equals the other, or the upper part equals the lower part, is a concept. And in the real world and living things, symmetry never exists. Something close to it, perhaps, something suggestive of it. I have two arms, two legs. They seem more or less like each other, but they're not exactly the same. In this little piece I've set up, you can see that it's perhaps symmetrical on a center line, but you can also see that it's not exactly. And it not being exactly symmetrical, I think, begins to give it some interest, some life of its own. We'll see in the next few talks how symmetry, along with complexity and a few other elements, really move a piece from the rational, from the concept, from the intention to make a sculpture, into the sculpture coming to exist because the sculptor has allowed it to be, has allowed it to evolve. This has been Richard Baronio. See you next time.